we are going to talk about how are we going to ensure security and especially the knowledge-based authentication. And in that case, we will first of all upload the document, right? So when we upload the document will be shown. Uh, just one second here. The document will be shown on the right part. This part will have the settings which we have already explained in the past. So in order to ensure that you want to implement KBA, which is knowledge-based authentication, you will go in and click on settings. When you click on settings, this things pop up, opens up on the right side. Notice every time you click, it either comes or goes. It disappears or appears back and forth, right? So you will have the choice to have this. Over here, it is going to ask how are you going to do different things. So one of the thing is screen share options are right here. Then in security, you would have a choice if you want OTP, and OTP is one-time password that can be sent right through email, or it could be sent through the text message SSN, through SMS. You could also add a second layer of security, which is the asking the user to enter in their last 4 digits of social security number. And then here is the third one where you will say, okay, I need the KBA. As soon as you click on KBA, the detailed settings of KBA open up, and in this you could set up the KBA for all documents from now onwards, or you could only enable the KBA for this document, the one that is being sent right now. And then you have multiple choices or multiple options of KBA. KBA is knowledge-based authentication. If you choose to go with manual KBA, then this means that you will be creating the questions manually yourself, and then those questions will be sent. Here is another interesting concept. We call it Magic KBA. And what is Magic KBA? Magic KBA is a way to generate the knowledge-based authentication questions dynamically by the use of AI. And what happens is when you upload the 1040 text document, the AI goes into work and it generates a bank of questions, like maybe 30 or 40 questions are created. And then the sender, meaning the text professional, will be able to pick and choose how many questions they want to be shown to their users in the first set of questions. So as we understand, usually the recipient is asked to take the test at most 3 times, and in each test they have maximum of 5 questions, which are multiple choice questions. So essentially, you as a text professional will be able to create those questions from the bank of questions that the AI has generated out of the text return that was uploaded over here. I hope this gives you some better idea how we are planning on using AI for KBA purposes and dynamic magic creation of knowledge-based authentication. And essentially, this is a very unique concept whereby you do not need third-party KBA, because third-party KBA usually costs a lot of money. As we are also trying to discern and learn the rules and laws, so we encourage you to come in and share what you think of this concept. Rather than paying hefty fees to third-party providers of KBA, why not use the AI? And by use of AI, we can dynamically create the knowledge-based authentication questions that can be easily answered by the client. Okay, so I hope this gives you a better idea. In our future videos, we are going to talk in more detail about what would Magic KBA look like. So stay tuned for manual KBA and examples of dynamic Magic KBA. Hope this helps.